How to add another Instagram account on the same device. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to add another Instagram account on the same device. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what we need to do first is to go into our Instagram app. Perfectly, now when you're on your Instagram app, then what we need to do first is to go into our profile. Perfectly, now when you're on your profile, then what you can try to do first is to click on your username in the top left corner. So click there. As you can see, this thing pops up here. What we need to do now is to click where it says add account. Perfect. As you can see in here, you can either log into an existing account or create a new account. If you don't get this option right here, then keep watching. If you don't have this option to click on your username in the top left corner, then try this one instead. Click on the three lines in the top right corner. And now you need to click where it says settings. In here we need to scroll down and then click where it says add account. Perfect. As you can see, you get the same options in here. Log into an existing account or create a new account. So for example, if you want to log into an existing account, you just click there. And then you need to fill out your details, and then you will have like two accounts on Instagram connected on the same device. So this is basically exactly how to do so. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.